If you are still building AI applications the old way, you are falling behind. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate modern tech stack that is taking over 2026, Next.js, Supabase, and OpenAI. Let's get into it. Speed and scalability are everything. Next.js gives you the ultimate front-end framework with server-side rendering, ensuring your AI portal is lightning fast and SEO optimized from day one. But what about the backend? That's where Supabase steps in. Forget complex database setups. Supabase provides seamless PostgreSQL database management and out-of-the-box authentication, completely cutting down your backend development time. Now the brain of your app, the OpenAI API. By securely routing your OpenAI API calls through Next.js server actions, you keep your API keys hidden and completely secure. Whether you are building an intelligent chatbot, an automated data processor, or a custom AI agent, this trio allows you to go from a raw concept to a fully functional, scalable production environment in record time. This isn't just a trend, it's the new standard for modern architecture. Next.js handles the speed, Supabase handles the scale, and OpenAI delivers the intelligence. Are you currently using this stack, or are you still relying on traditional backends? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe to Stack Pulse for your daily 2-minute tech updates, and keep building. See you in the next one.